Hi, I'm Gary from San Francisco Auto Repair Center in San Francisco. The Driveroo inspection allows me to have my techs inspect the vehicle and send me pictures and inspection information. I don't have to leave my desk to see what's going on with the vehicle. Same thing, I can send it on to my customer so they can see the pictures and see their inspection report. Tech sent me pictures of hard spots. I didn't have to say what's wrong with the brake rotors, and it's, well, come and take a look at them. It was right here on my desk. So I was able to sell rotors and pads. Right now I'm selling minor stuff today, light bulbs and wheel bearing repack, but it's right in the inspection. Which bulbs are burned out? I don't have to yell across the shop and say which bulbs are burned out. I've got it right here. So it's saving me time, it's saving the tech's time. It's giving me better communication with the customers. It's helping me sell jobs every day.